Hey everybody, thanks for coming by the channel today. And if you're new, welcome. I'm doing a different kind of unboxing today. I usually do makeup and lifestyle type products, but I belong to the Grove Collaborative online, which is a company that is a certified B company for healthier home products. You can have them delivered monthly, you can skip deliveries, you personalize it. I just thought I would show you what I got as a rule on a monthly basis and just tell you a little bit about the company in case anybody else out there has any interest in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my box and we'll see what I ordered this month. I order it usually so far in advance. You can leave things in your cart if they're things that you just want to get repeatedly every month, or you can just go in and always add new things. If you're a VIP, when you sign up, you get a 60-day free trial, but if you stay a VIP, which is $19.99 I think, you get free shipping and you can have it shipped anytime as long as it's a $15 order. And once a quarter or so, sometimes I find more often than that, they send you presents, a new candle, a new hand sanitizer. I think I got a lip balm once, a beautiful cotton kitchen towel that was just beautiful. But I just like it. So let's see what I ordered this month. Oh, interesting things. I ordered the Organic Grove. They do their own products too. And it's just the Grove Collaborative, and it's their organic cotton balls. And their prices are generally as good as like a Target or something like that, or better. And they do price matching, so if you find it out there somewhere else, you can send an email to them and they match it in your cart. And I have found as a rule that, like, I use a lot of Mrs. Meyer's products, that they're less expensive. Plus, at like Halloween and Christmas, when they come out with all the special scents, I can order the whole kit and caboodle through them much earlier than wondering if I'm going to find it at Target or not. So I have enjoyed that. Something else I got this month, speaking of Mrs. Meyer's, I just finished up my Christmas Iowa Pine, so I got the whole basil set. I haven't tried the basil before, so I have the countertop cleaner, the hand soap, this is a bigger box than I'm used to, and the dish soap, all in the basil. I'm going to set this box on the ground. Okay, let's see what the basil smells like. Oh, it's nice. It's very fresh. It smells basil-y. I know, shock and awe. It's very fresh and clean. It's very nice. I love all the Mrs. Meyer products. When I don't get a special flavor scent, I love the lemon verbena. It doesn't smell anything to me like lemon. I don't know what a verbena is, but it must be what it smells like. It's just a real fresh, clean, kitchen-y smell. But I so often love to, like the bluebell, oh, it's so nice. I like them all except for the lavender. And it's not that I don't enjoy the lavender. I just don't want to smell lavender in my kitchen. You know what? When I use my dish liquid, I don't want my dishes to be smelling like lavender. That's a bedroom makeup linen spray scent to me, not a kitchen scent. But anyway. Okay, my camera just died, so we're going to pick up where we left off. So if I'm seated a little differently, that's why. Let's see what's next in the box. Method Foaming Cleanser. I use this. I was a scrubbing bubbles addict. I loved it. I loved how clean it felt. But I have found that this does just as good a job, and it has a nice minty smell versus that toxic, overwhelming scrubbing bubbles smell. And I have them send it once a month and I love it. I have the Method Daily Shower Spray. I also love this. Okay, what you're learning about me is I'm a little OCD about clean. It's not that I like to clean, it's that I like things to be clean. And this Method Daily Shower Spray, you just spritz the tub down with. My husband and I both do it when we get out of the shower. And it stays really clean between the times when I use this. So I love it. Okay, what else is in the box? Oh, this is a fun thing. This is the Grove Collaborative. It's in a little, you can see that. It's a little canvas bag. And inside are I know you're saying, what are they? Bamboo straws. They serve two purposes. They're all varied in size. I guess that's a good idea because like some have bigger holes and they would be good for smoothies, and some have like smaller, they're smaller and they'd be, I don't know. There's 6 straws. This one is huge and has a tiny hole. Not sure what I'm going to be using that one for. But anyway, I digress. And a cleaning. And they're going to quit giving you, I don't know where you are, but here they're going to quit giving you straws. And I prefer in a restaurant to drink out of a straw. So I thought I would just carry my own. Now I have to think about what I'm going to do with them once I've used them. I guess I'm going to have to find something to slip in there. I also have a glass straw. That's what I started with, but it's just one and it's in a plastic container and it's a great idea except for one thing. It's one. And remembering to take that out of my purse every time I get home, it's not working so great for me. So this gives me 6 and it's in a little pouch I can carry in my purse. Next in the box we have, oh, I just needed a new loofah sponge. You don't need me to take that out. It's just a shower loofah. And you know, it's just the convenience of that. I wish I would change them every month, every 2 months tops. But if I don't have them coming here, I don't think, oh, you know what? I should go to the Target and get myself a loofah sponge. But if I have it in my cart to come every 2 months, I get one and I know, hey, it's time to change your loofah. It works for me. All right, and last but not least, in this month's box, I decided to try something new, and it is their own. They have their own products. They have some paper products that they call seedling that are bamboo products. A lot of people love them. I did not. I only tried the paper towels, and you know what? I'm just a bounty girl through and through. They were a little thin for me. I have a lot of Norwex towels that I use for like drying my hands when I've cleaned or wiping up around my sink when I've made a watery mess. So I don't use one a day paper towels. So I don't feel incredibly wasteful. But if you are a paper towel-aholic and wish you would do something better for the environment, they have started this seedling brand through Grove. Like I said, it's the sustainable bamboo, so instead of taking down trees, it's way better for the environment. I didn't love it. But what I'm going to try now is, and this sounded like a great idea to me, is I recently got a high efficiency washing machine. And I just know I am using way too much detergent in there. So they came out with this goodie. What's this box? What do they call it? Glass. Oh, it's glass. I have to be honest, I thought it was plastic. Glass laundry dispenser. And it's 24 ounces. I remember that. At least I think I remember that. Pardon me while I just keep the trash in the box. Wow, it's very pretty. The bottom of it is rubber, or silicone probably, so it's not going to slip. And then this is glass. And what you do is you put your detergent in it, and I decided to try theirs because far less packaging. I got the ultra concentrated laundry detergent in citrus woods, and this is 33 loads. And you pour that in here, and then this they call it self-dosing. I don't know how you set it. I guess it just sets itself. Oh, it has a little, you can turn it. This little thing, something turns. Yep. Oh, well, it turns off to load it. So you can have it open and closed. I imagine that's actually open. And it's something about it in the way you pour it. When you tip it over to pour it into your washing machine, it gives you 1 dose of laundry detergent. So you don't have to work out how much you're supposed to be pouring into your laundry detergent. This magical device knows. Now, I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know. It's pretty. I like it. And if it works, that's going to be fantastic because, like I said, I know that I'm still using half a cup of, or not cup, but the lid of product. And I figured if I don't love the scent of this, it comes in an unscented too, I think. But if I don't find a scent in this or it doesn't wash enough to suit me, I thought, you know what, I can put my regular HE in here because I just need dosing help. But I think this whole thing to start with for this month was, I want to say it was $24, but that's for the 33 loads and the glass container. So that's it for my box this month. Some months it's way bigger, some months it's much smaller. I haven't actually needed to skip a month yet because I always need my shower cleaner and I use a lot of the Mrs. Meyer's products. They have everything. They even have personal products. Well, I got the loofah and the cotton balls this month, but they carry the Dr. Bronner soaps and just, they have good for you makeups if you're looking to go greener with your skincare. So they just have a lot of great products. And I loved it. And I thought, you know what? I have this nice box. I do all these unboxings. Why not unbox it and tell you guys about it? So Now you know basically what I know. All right, guys, that's it for today's box. I know it's something different. I just got the box in the mail and I thought, hey, they might like to know about it. I'll put the link below if you want to sign up for it. I will tell you, I think that if you sign up through the link that I put below, I do get credit on my account. I tell you this because you will get, with your first $20 order, 5 products. I think you get the set of the Mrs. Meyer's, which is the hand soap, the dish soap, and the counter cleaner. And then they switch out the other product. When I sent it to my mom the other day, I think it was an enameled tin to carry your cleaning stuff in that was so cute. And I want to say, like, they have walnut scrubbing sponges that it's just a sponge on one side and the other side is the scrubby, but it's made out of walnut shells, so it's really environmentally friendly as sponges go. Anyway, if you click on the link below, with your first $20 order, you get all of those products, or products like those that I just mentioned, but it'll tell you what you get. I just want you to know, because I did that for my first order, and that's, I appreciated the link. Anyway, this isn't a sponsored video. I have 50 subscribers. They're not sponsoring me. It's just something that I love, and I wanted to pass on to you guys. So please like and subscribe. Come back and see more unboxings. I'll get back to our regularly scheduled makeup in no time. Comment below if you've done the Grove Collaborative before and have you had good luck. I've found that they have great customer service. It's easy to change and move, and it's just been a piece of cake, which is why I love it, which is why I thought I'd tell you guys about it. All right, guys. Have a great day.